Hi guys, still on the delivery trail, of course, because you know we're trying to make sure that you get your package. So we're here to see Mariska. Where are you?
Hi.
What's popping?
I'm good.
First time seeing your name.
Yeah.
First time shipper.
Very first time.
Oh.
Finally decided to try.
Okay, I like it. And that's when I get to meet you. You know I'm the star around here.
Yeah,
You want to take my star
I
down?
realized.
You realize? I read a little bit about it. Do my kind of little bit of background check, you know.
Really?
Yeah. Are you say you do natural hair, so what can go on for me?
I mean, right now we're gonna need
Yeah,
a little
yeah.
more inches.
Uh,
Yeah, so the just
So I need to
a
go
little bit.
somewhere,
Yeah,
or-
just a little bit more.
Alright, so that's a project I'm gonna grow my hair a tad bit more
And then I
before
can
Mariska
circle back.
can circle me and sort out little thing for me. Anyway, I have your package there for you.
Alright, thank you so much.
I want to say thank you for coming on board. Make
Thank
sure you say
you.
invite your nice friend them.
Definitely, because I was recommended by somebody.
Oh, you were?
Yeah.
Want to call the person's name?
Melissa. Melissa Grandison.
Oh!
Yeah.
Alright, good stuff.
Yeah,
Good
so
stuff.
she told me about you guys last year. And
Welcome to the family.
thank you very much.
You like it? You like it? You like it? Be honest. You know.
Actually, quicker.
You like the quickness?
Yeah, I realized that I wasn't expecting like for this week, so I'm actually pleased. Yeah.
Yeah, please.
And as my peer, the package come the next day, so love that from
I
you.
guess I have nothing else to say. I'll just go grow my hair. Enjoy the rest of your day.
Alright,
Have a
thank
good one.
you.
Do you have it on the
Bye.
delivery trail? Today I'm going to grow my hair. I don't know.